Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over how to fill out the interactive flipbook, the digital version. Of course, you could always print this out and fill it in by hand as well if you'd prefer. Okay, so we start out on the front page, and if this was printed out, this would be a flipbook. So on the front page here, minimize this. We've got the title, which is Los Verbos Regulares en el Presente. So regular verbs in the present tense. So the first thing we want to click on is how do I conjugate a regular verb? And to fill yours out, you would need to fill in the blanks here that I have filled in. So step one, as we know, is to remove the AR, ER, or IR from the end of the verb. So you start out with an infinitive or an unconjugated verb. Then you remove the AR, the ER, or the IR from the end, and you're left with the stem of the verb. Next, you need to add the appropriate ending. The ending is matched to the subject of the sentence, and the subject is the thing or person that does the action that the verb is referring to. So if I have a sentence, I run, I am the subject because I'm the person that's running. Okay, on the next page, we have the endings for AR verbs. And the yo ending is O. The to ending is as. The L ending, ella ending, and usted endings are all the same, and it's a. The nosotros or nosotras form ends with amos. The vosotros or vosotras form ends with ais, an accent on the A there. Then the ellos or ellas or ustedes forms all end the same, and they end with on. So an example of an AR verb would be cantar, or to sing. So the yo form would be yo canto. The to form, tú cantas. The ella, or usted form, canta. Nosotros or nosotras form, cantamos. And the vosotros or vosotras form, cantáis. The ellas, ellos, or ustedes form would be cantan. So all we've done there is take off the AR, cantar, and added the appropriate endings. Next, we have the ER verb endings. For the yo form, it's O. For the to form, ace. For the ella, or usted form, a. Nosotros or nosotras, amos. Vosotros or vosotras, ace. And the ellos, ellas, and ustedes form, en. So a good example for an ER verb would be comer. The yo form, yo como. The to form, tú comes. The ella, or usted form, come. Nosotros would be comemos. Vosotros or vosotras, coméis. And the ellos, ellas, ustedes form, comen. For IR verbs, very similar, except the nosotros and vosotros forms are different. So the yo form is O ending. The to form ends with es or ace. The ella, or usted form ends with a. The nosotros form ends with imos, I-M-O-S. The vosotros or vosotras form ends with is, I with an accent S. And the ellos, ellas, and ustedes form ends with N. So a good example verb would be yo vivo. Tú vives. Él, ella, or usted vive. Nosotros or nosotras vivimos. Vosotros or vosotras vivís. Ellos, ellas, or ustedes viven. Here are some examples of verbs in Spanish. Some AR verbs: to dance, bailar; to sing, cantar; to listen, escuchar, like escuchar música, to listen to music; estudiar, to study; hablar, to speak, llegar, to arrive, mirar, to watch or to look, nadar, to swim, sacar, to take or to take out, tocar, to touch or to play an instrument, trabajar, to work, viajar, to go on a trip, visitar, to visit. Aprender, to learn. Beber, to drink. These are verbs that end in er or ir. So we'll start with er first. Aprender, to learn. Beber, to drink. Comer, to eat. Correr, to run. Leer, to read. Vender, to sell. Then the ir verbs. Abrir, to open. Decidir, to decide. Escribir, to write. Recibir, to receive. Subir, to go up or climb. Vivir, to live. Here are some examples. Conjugate the verbs in the sentences. I'll post an answer key tomorrow. Here's some more practice. Write 4 sentences using regular Spanish verbs and insert a picture to correspond with each sentence. Okay, that's it for this video.